Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to view your saved passwords in your Google Chrome application on your iPhones. Really easy and simple to do. So everyone knows how helpful it is obviously to keep their passwords saved. You'll be able to just go access it whenever you forget your password. So it's really equivalent to have this service. Anyhow, we'll go right into this here and we'll open up Google Chrome. So just go ahead and do that now. Once you're open on Google Chrome like this, all you have to do is just go to the bottom right corner and click on the three dots. And then once we do that, we can just click on Settings. And then under Settings, you'll see it says Passwords. So we can just click on Passwords. And then here it'll show all your passwords that you have saved on your Google Chrome. So all you have to do is just scroll down and find the password and username that you want to get. So just click on one, and then you will notice here it says the website that the password's saved for, the username, and the password. So you can just click on Show or Copy, whatever you're looking to do. Or you can delete it here as well at the very bottom. But anyhow, this is exactly how you see your saved passwords on the Google Chrome app on your phones. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.